Welcome back students in Holy Angel School and Junior College online classes. Class 6 History chapter number 9 The Ancient Kingdom of the South. In previous video we discussed about the Pandya, Chola dynasties, Satavahan, Vakataka dynasties. Today we are going to discuss the Chalukya dynasty. The Chalukya dynasty in the Karnataka was a powerful one. The kingdom of Kadamba Kalachuri had become powerful after the decline of the Vakatakas, but the Chalukya king established their own dominance over all of them. Pulkeshi I established the rule of the Chalukya dynasty in 6th century CE. His capital was Badami, which was earlier called Vatapi. The Chalukya king Pulkeshi II had successfully repulsed Empire Harshvardhana's invention. The famous temple at Badami, Ahihole and Pattadakal were built during the Chalukya period. These are the two famous temples built during the Chalukya period. Chalukya dynasty is one of the important dynasty in Karnataka kingdom. Kadamba and Kalachuri had become the powerful after the decline of the Vakatakas, but Chalukya's king established the dominance over all of them. Pulkeshi first established the rule of Chalukya's dynasty in 6th century BC. Chalukya's king Pulkeshi II had successfully repulsed the empire of Harshvardhana and his invention. The famous temples are Badami, Ahihole and the Pattadakal were built in this Chalukya period. Next, the Pallava dynasty. The Pallavas dynasty. The Pallavas were also a powerful dynasty in South India. Kanchipuram in Tamil Nadu was their capital. The capital of the Pallavas, the Kanchipuram, now it is located in the Tamil Nadu. Mahendravarman was an able Pallavas ruler. He expanded the Pallavas kingdom. Mahendravarman expanded the empire of Pallavas kingdom. He was also a playwright. His son Narasimhavarman repulsed the attack on his kingdom by the Chalukya's king Pulkeshi II. The famous Ratha temple of Mahabalipuram were sculptured during his reign. These temples have been sculpted in single rock. The Pallavas had a powerful and well-equipped navy during this period. India became in close contact with the countries of Southeast Asia. Internal foreign trade flourished. Yuan Chong had visited Kanchi and recorded that people of the religions received tolerant and just treatment under the rule of the Pallavas king. Students, Pallava dynasty also a powerful dynasty in South India. The Kanchipuram was the capital of that Pallavas dynasty. Mahendravarman was one of the important ruler on the Pallavas dynasty. His son Narasimhavarman repulsed an attack on his kingdom by the Chalukya's king Pulkeshi II. The famous Rath temple also built on this period, but these temples sculptured on a single one rock. Because of that, it is the one of the most historical monuments in our India. And on this period, Indian trade also well established. Rashtrakuta dynasty. At the height of their power, the dominion of the Rashtrakuta dynasty extended from the Vindhya mountain up to Kanyakumari. In south, their power was first established in the Maharashtra by King Dantidurga. Krishna Raja I had the famous Kailas temple carved at Ellora. Up to now, we have learnt about the different dynasties that rules ancient India. Students, Rashtrakuta dynasty is the height of their power. The dominion of the Rashtrakuta dynasty extended from the Vindhya mountain up to Kanyakumari in the south. Their power was first established in the Maharashtra by King Dantidurga. Krishna Raja first had the famous Kailas temple carved at Ellora. Now it is located in the Maharashtra in Aurangabad district, and this is the one of the most sculpture carved the temple, Kailas temple of at Ellora. Students, I hope you in this lesson we discuss about the different dynasties in the ancient South India. These